Hi, this video is going to be on personification, pathetic fallacy and zoomorphism. So firstly, with pathetic fallacy, this is when we give human emotions to something non-human, and in literature this is often done with the weather. So this first phrase, "the sky cried tears of pain," is an example of pathetic fallacy, and we know the sky is crying is it raining, but it's also given this extra level of emotive qualities with it crying tears of pain. And then we have personification, and the main thing to remember here is that it differs from pathetic fallacy in that personification is giving any kind of human attribute to an object. So here we have her alarm was screaming at her. So we know alarms can't scream in the way that a human can, but we still understand what's going on here. The alarm's making a very loud sound. And then we have zoomorphism, and this is where we give a human and animal-like qualities. So we have the common phrase barking up the wrong tree, and we know this means that you're pursuing something misguidedly, and not that you're literally barking up a tree. Thanks for listening.